affiliate marketing website, $32,000 in 12 days. And there are tons of offers right here. And in this tutorial to start off, I want to show you this site I highly recommend. You can click the link down below to sign up if you're new and if you're a beginner. And I recommend follow this training and all my other trainings. These are top offers. I made a lot of money with these. So Chatterbait right here is a top cam site. Every single time you get a conversion, you will be making a rev share conversion every single time. If you promote this Royal Cams offer, you get paid $4 every time. These OnlyFans ones, you get paid rev share for everyone you refer. And I got some powerful methods just for that. You can sort by and look at all these things. If you go to EPC and sort by EPC, you'll see right here, this is the top offer right now. Top local singles, it's a double opt-in offer, and you need to send mobile and tablet traffic. And mobile and tablet traffic is traffic. It's very cheap. And you have to realize adult marketing is the cheapest in the world. I mean, with just pop under advertising, you don't even need to make banner ads or video ads. You can literally just pop under traffic sources, which I teach. You don't even have to make ads. You just literally can send people directly to links, and it's the cheapest in the world traffic ever in the entire world. And there are secrets to how to run it. And you can even do smart links. And there's a smart link right here. And a smart link's basically where you send people to the link, it automatically will send people to perfect offers and landing pages for the traffic sent. It's absolutely insane. So this offer right here, every single time you get someone to basically become a lead and it's a dating site, you'll get paid $3, around $4. And the EPC is around 9 cents. So basically, if you can get traffic for less than 9 cents per click and it's targeted and good traffic that's going to convert, you will make money. So you could send pop under traffic. Pop under traffic, super cheap, cheaper than that by a long shot. Test, and you get mobile traffic for United States and tablet traffic for United States and send it, and you split test what converts the best here. Oh my gosh, you will make conversions. The TrafficJunky account, an extra TrafficJunky account. My other one's got a lot of money in it, a lot of data, stuff I don't want you to see, and ads and campaigns I don't want you to see, but this is for me to do a tutorial for you. How do you make money just with TrafficJunky and run traffic on TrafficJunky? You go to campaigns, create a new campaign. You see these are test campaigns. Well, these are tutorial campaigns basically for you to see. So you go right here, new campaign. And also if you want to see your data, you just click on the name there. But you want to name it whatever you want to name it. Boom, boom, boom. Name it that. The quality traffic is going to be desktop. Desktop is super quality. Mobile traffic is cheaper and there's a lot of it. And some offers just allow mobile traffic. Mobile is good for leads. Desktop is good for sales, in my opinion. And from data, I've seen tons of data. And then when you're doing banner traffic, you can do banner traffic, but you can also do video traffic. Video ads are very powerful, and video ads, they have to be below 30 seconds. The most common size is this one. Okay, most people just do banners that are this one. You want to do banner dimensions that most people don't do. This is very common, this size right here, but you want to do a size that stands out if you do banner ads, and it'll be even cheaper and you can have bigger results, honestly. This is very common and a good placement, that size, but anyway, it's good. Campaign schedule, I usually stay away from all this stuff. Hyper target though, if you want to, for duration and its start and end dates and the specific times per day that you want it to run and stuff like that. Frequency capping, you can have it at like 1 if you choose to and put it at different stuff, but I just leave it open. Now, depending on what your offer is, you want to target this for sure. Depending on what the offer is. Most offers would be straight. If it's a female offer, then target that. If it's male offer, target that. If it's all, then target that. It's very straightforward. And that's the thing. This stuff's very user-friendly, but there are secrets to this. And that's why I say you got to get mentorship with me if you want to learn. And it's just an extra income stream for me. That's why I'm motivated to share this knowledge with you as an extra income stream. But right here, if we go over here, United States, you could target United States. You want to add it. You can't add any more after that. So you want to make more campaigns after that. Next, we want to go here. You could target super targeted. Like if you had a local business, this is very powerful secret knowledge here I can share with you, but you could basically get super powerful local branding, leveraging adult marketing, and it's the cheapest in the world. And you can get in front of your whole entire city or state or local area for your local business. And hyper target. If you want to target keywords, if you have a super fetish offer or something or super niche offer, you could do keyword targeting, but it will increase the costs. Just keep that in mind. Browser targeting, obviously Chrome is going to be more quality traffic, of course, so you can just target that if you want to and turn off all the others if you want to. The browser language you can do, select the language you want to do, but usually whatever country you're targeting, it's going to have the language by default for most people. And then mobile connection, if people are on their Wi-Fi, these are people that in a comfortable setting or whatever where they're not like in public or something where it's better traffic basically if it's on Wi-Fi. Okay, you press save and continue. All right, so here we are. So this is where you can choose to do a video banner, you can do a static banner, whatever, demonstration account. So we already have a silly little ad here called adult marketing secrets to promote the course or whatever, since this is the tutorial we're doing. And so you just press use images. You have to go over here to basically submit images, the media library, and that's where you get campaigns and ads approved or whatever, the ad creatives approved. Then right here you want to put your target URL, your affiliate link, and you just get that link. We can go get a link here here, let's say we want to promote this top offer. Boom. We go down here and we just basically get our link. Boom. Copy the link and we paste it. We can do direct linking here. Very powerful. Okay, now you can do confirm ads and everything like that. If you did a video banner, we could see you want to have a video file, all that stuff. You can add a logo or whatever. It's all set, but it's just a video banner. Now, pre-roll ads and in-stream ads are a different type of thing that you can learn, which are very powerful, like I said before. We go down here, confirm the ads, boom, boom, boom. And now we move on to the next step. Right here, it just is confirming stuff, and you just basically do save and confirm, and you move on. And then right here, the amount per day, you can put it at 25 minimum usually is what they put. I don't think you can go any lower than that usually. Some different sites are different, but I usually recommend 25 bucks a day, all the way to 50 bucks a day, or you could do 100 bucks a day, or you could do 250 bucks a day. But usually when starting, like 50 bucks a day is pretty good, but you can start minimum if you want to. So you can put like 25, but I put 50. Then you do confirm campaign, and then from there, just approves it, and then you move forward. So it's very straightforward. Now the thing about it all is it's all psychology. So if you go over here, this is Offer Vault. It's just a search engine of networks. And if you sort by adult right here, you see a bunch of adult offers here. These are a bunch of networks you can sign up for basically right here. You can see on the side. And obviously Crack Revenue is the one I'm sharing you here that I'm making money with, but a ton more. Okay, there's a lot of offers, and these offers pay really great. And you can find some really high paying offers. Not just high paying is the key, but like high earnings per click. That's the key. Okay, there's a lot of offers here. You can get paid $35 per sale or per lead, all the way from $1.80 per lead. So there's a bunch of offers. And the key here is, what is the conversion rate and what is the earnings per click you're getting on average? Is the offer actually converting? This is the key. When you have an offer that converts, then it's all about just sending traffic. It's really that simple. There is a lot to the game. You could catch unique traffic angles, unique placements, and there's different placements for types of ads you can run. You could do banner ads, you could do video ads, you could do pop-under advertising. Some are easier than others. Most of it's easy if you just know what you're doing. It's just knowledge. It's just a skill set. It's just straightforward knowledge. And when you know, you know. When you find a unique angle, you win. Even like the psychology behind it too. Like you have to know like human psychology. You have to know how to do marketing angles. And you have to know what resonates with people and how to actually persuade and convince people into these offers. And you can increase the conversion rate that's already high on a super high offer that you pick. If an offer is already converting super high, you want to figure out how you can actually elevate. And I'll give you a few tips here. Reward bias. It's a cognitive bias where when you add more reward to something and more desire to something, people are more likely to convert. This is direct response marketing, which is paid ads. And if you're running paid ads, you want to get a direct response. So basically, when you add urgency and scarcity to your advertising, you will make so much money. If you miss out on adding urgency or scarcity to your promotion, you will miss out on a ton of money. But there are so many more things.